Good morning, this is Steve Freed, and I'm in Kansas City today to give a speech at the annual Milling and Bacon Slaughterland Conference. About 800 of the world's and U.S. food companies are here to hear about the prospects for wheat prices, corn prices, the soybean complex prices, and other things like sugar and nuts and spices and things like that, and eggs. So it's a good group, and it's a good chance for large grain companies to meet and mix with their customers, and a chance for customers to visit with some of the global speakers that will be here today to give their best idea of what prices are going to do. Overnight, you've got beans about unchanged at 10.57 on the July. November is at 10.36. And in the oil market, we're at 47 cents with a carry to 48 cents in the December. For the meal market, we're at 2.95, 2.96 in the July. December is at 3.09. In the corn market, we're down about a penny in the July at 4.41. The December is at 4.45, and you've got the SEP at 4.30. So you basically have an inverse in the nearby July SEP spread, but a carry in the SEP D's spread. Wheat market's down about 3 cents at 5.51 in Chicago. Kansas City's down 4 cents at 5.45. I think what the speakers are going to say today in the wheat market, one analyst said that the wheat market is like a game of chickens in which the farmer's unsold and the consumer's unbought. And so it's up to the market to try to decide, do we need that grain coming from harvest from the U.S. and the Northern Hemisphere? And if the prices do slip lower, does the consumer come in and buy? Given the fact that December wheat's trading at 5.87 in Chicago is a pretty big carry for someone to, as a consumer, to go out there and buy it. And the funds are still close to a record short in Chicago, KC, Minneapolis, and a record short in the Matif futures. And they like to trade that carry, being short the nearby market, and then once that contract comes due, they roll up to the next highest contract and make that carry. So there's nothing really in the weather market. It looks like when I look at the 8 to 14 day map, you got normal to above temps across the Midwest, with normal to maybe above normal in the Southeast and Delta rainfall. So globally, there's showers that are going to work their way into China, Europe, Russia, and so I don't think there's a real problem as far as weather is concerned.